The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for Central Dallas County in southwestern Missouri, East Central Polk County in southwestern Missouri, Laclede County in southwestern Missouri, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Buffalo, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and baseball-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Bennett Springs State Park, Buffalo, Morgan, Phillipsburg, Halfway, Bennett Springs, Twin Bridges, Windyville, Lynchburg, Sleeper, Falcon, Goodson, Long Lane, and Dry Knob. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 113 and 144. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. & tornado. Radar indicated. Max hail size 2.75 in. Beep, 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 beep.